The first step in wiring up the HyperRail will be making a knot on your string. Make it so that when you tighten it, or you pull on the string, it tightens on this knot. So what you're gonna do is put this around the little hook that's on the tie, or the line tie, 3D printed piece. So it's on, once on there, you just pull on it and it tightens. So at this point, make sure it's tight and it won't come off. The next thing you want to do is wrap it around this idling pulley. To make it easier, on the other end, underneath the carriage first. And then another handy trip to put this thing together is having a piece of tape. So once you put it around, tighten it a little, and then you tape the piece onto the aluminum extrusion. This way, this thing's not moving around. So the next step is to make a double loop. So this is to increase the friction on the 3D printed piece in here, so when it's moving around, it's not slipping, or it reduces the amount of slip. So once you have a double loop, so you go around once, around twice, you end up with something like this. So you can put it underneath the 3D printed piece and around the 3D printed piece. So once you have it like that, slightly tugging it until it's nice and tight. You pull it until this side is also tight, and then you put another piece of tape. Again, this is just to keep the things where they should be and not falling out. The last step on this is putting the string around the M4 nut that's on here. There is the nut. So on this side, you loosen it up a little. And then this part could be tricky. So just have a little bit of patience and just make another loop like this. And you just put it around. Maybe use your Allen wrench to push it onto the 3D printed piece. Should look something like that. So once it's on there, you want to pull on it tight. So at this point, stuff might be moving, but that's okay. So take off the piece of tape. So pull it, and then tighten the bolt. And you're done.